Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, welcome. If you're just bumped into my channel, guys, do not forget to subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning to my channel and thank you for subscribing. I know you're like, sis, what is this? I'm like, oh my gosh, shut up. Look at this, guys. Period. Okay, now I'm gonna be doing like, those rich people like period girl because I look cute or whatever, right? You ain't gonna tell me nothing because I know I look cute. I know my nails are on fleek, honey. How will you know that this is like a water bottle, guys? Okay, sis, just stand there. Okay, don't like, why are you messing my shine now? Don't do that. Don't do that. I beg. Don't mess with my shine, honey. So, oh my god, guys, I just wanted to look at this. I don't know if it will focus. Okay, it's focusing. Look, they're like butterflies inside and I'm like period. You better be doing that, period, sis. I always see people with these long nails, they always do like period. They were doing period. All right, money, honey, money. So guys, these are bottle nails. Okay, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do these nails. First of all, before we go any further, guys, I've never ever in my life put these long nails on myself. Okay, like period. So you can't just, let me use this. Okay, you know, ritual. I've always wondered, every time I see people with this, I'm like, oh my god, how do they even go to the toilet? Not even the work. I beg, this British accent isn't working. I beg, waiting with this now. This thing hard though. Hey, I need a Nigerian friend. If you are there and you're Nigerian, highlight me because I really love to learn Nigerian. I beg, go, wait till it be. I'm always wondering every time, like, how do they even go to the toilet? Like, how do they even bath? How do they even do things? But to tell you the truth, these are like the most comfortable nails I've ever put. Like, no, I'm just like, yeah, they're just making noise, whatever. But like, I love the noise. Like, do my shine, no, I beg. All of this I was saying is not important, guys. It's not really important. If you think this video is going to be useful to you guys, carry on watching.
You saw me on the television, said invite to all the buildings.
Hey guys, so in today's video we're going to be doing plastic water bottle nails. I know it sounds crazy, I know, right? But I saw this on YouTube and it was like, does it work? But I tried it, it worked, and I really love my nails. So what you will need is like this plastic water bottle container. Well, it's not water bottle, it's like, yeah, if you find a water bottle, if you find like a juice bottle, this is like soda water. So yeah, so cut the flat smooth part, and as you can see, like, cut as I did right now. Okay, I tried to use like rubber bands to kind of like tie, but with the hot water they snapped. So yeah, let's just continue and I'll tell you how it happened. So as you can see, just try to roll your bottle, okay, the piece that you cut, and then tie it with the rubber bands. Okay, I ended up changing and I used Brazilian wool because yeah, the rubber band like just snapped, like they didn't work. So yeah, after you're done with this, dip this plastic in hot water. After hot water, dip in. Now I was just putting that Brazilian wool and trying again, and it worked. And if you, wow, okay, I don't know what I'm doing with this, really. Like, I don't know what I'm doing right now, but let's move. So yeah, now we're done. Remove the wool, and then yeah, as you can see, it should do like this, getting back together. If you try to separate, it's not separate, I don't know, if you try to roll out, it should roll in, as you can see. So take your scissors, any scissors, and try to cut the size you want. Okay, so like I was just cutting like if you want into your fingers, but if you're starting like this, just cut similar sizes, or just cut the size you see it will fit on your nail, or it will fit on your finger, a size that will fit on your finger. So yeah, we're done. As you can see, like I was just trying to organize everything out, and like yeah, I'm just putting like the bigger ones together, the like the smaller ones together. These 4 ones are for the thumb and for the thumbs, and then these are for the like second bigger finger, and then yeah, and the smallest one, you will see that as you cut, as you get towards like to the end when you're cutting, you will see like there will be smaller rolls because of the way you rolled. And anyhow you roll, there'll always be like the smaller ones. So these are going to go on my pinky finger. like this. So yeah, that is, I was just organizing to see which one's which and which will go where. And I just used 10. As you can see, there are so many and I had to keep some of them. I think I'll use them next time. But oh, I forgot to tell you guys, I've been wanting to do these. I saw this on YouTube and I was like, okay, I was looking for like bigger nails, but I couldn't find bigger nails. The bigger nails that I always found, like they were like curved at the end of the nail. And I was like, no, I don't want them. I wanted like straight nails like this, and I really loved it and it worked, guys. So yeah, as you can see, I was just cutting, try to cut to shaping. Okay, right now I was just trying to use this nail cutter and it wasn't working. So yeah, it wasn't really working, but it's fine. You can use a nail cutter if it works for you. It's good. And right now I was just yeah, using a file to just, okay, this is like a buffer or buff, I don't know, but I'm just using it to like make the ends smoother. And that is what I did. You will see like the shape is going to be good. Okay, so I changed, but it's good. So I'm just using this scissors to kind of like cut to the size I want, and also I want it right the size, but it's going to be okay. It's going to be good, okay, when I cut it. And yeah, you can see I'm just trying to, you know, make sure it's curved enough and all that good stuff. And I'm just trying to fit it on my finger. As you can see, it's fitting, but like it's not really like not, I didn't want it to be pointy, but like it's kind of like a bigger in size, and I'm going to fix that. Just keep putting on your thumb to see, like on your finger, to see if the size is what you want. I'll show you up close. Okay, right, good. So as you can see, it's looking so, guys, look at this. It's looking like a nail that you can buy in any shop. All right, so right now we are done. We're just trying to, you know, cut our excess nails, because like, yeah, we keep short nails here, except it's fake. Yeah. So okay, glue. I bought glue at a China shop. You know, like all these things that are here, I think I bought them at a China shop. Okay, this is like a basket that I keep my nail polish and my glue and everything. You can see I'm putting my glue on top of the paper, because glue, I didn't want it to spill on that cloth. Yeah, it won't be good, honey. It won't be nice. So we're not doing that. We are not doing that. So yeah, right now I'm putting my nail, I'm leaving it just a little bit for it to, a little bit like, yeah, and then I'm putting on my nail. At first, okay, it was not straight enough, so I had to remove it and file, and then had to put the glue again. Everything is good. And yeah, as you can see, I'm putting on my nails, honey. They're looking cute. Look at this. Look at this. Well, you know, like it's a water bottle, guys. To be honest, like, look at this. I mean, child, stop. All right, so now that I'm done with this, I'm just doing like the left hand first, because yeah, I didn't want to interrupt, you know, when you have like long fingers and all that, long nails. So yeah, now, okay, I bought this acrylic powder in liquid in a China shop, and yeah, and this pink little cute thing that I'm using to put my liquid and powder. And yeah, I also bought this in a China shop, this acrylic powder, and I'm just pouring a little bit. Make sure you pour like a little bit, because like the acrylic liquid, like it vapors a lot, bit. And make sure you have a small container of acetone, so that you will be dipping your brush, because it will get like, you know, hard once in a while. So you will need to dip it like this, and you will need a tissue or a cloth. I started using a tissue, but I ended up using like a cloth, because the tissue kept on like tearing when I apply force. So yeah, dip your, okay, this is not like a nail tutorial, but like, okay, it's cool. So dip your brushes, you can see, in the liquid and then in the powder. I'm sure you can see like a small, again, container with whitish powder. This is like a colorless acrylic powder. I just thought of using it. Okay, I had this, I don't know when I bought it, but I bought it a long time ago. And I just decided to use it. I wanted like a transparent color below, or I just wanted to incorporate something transparent on my nails. And I was like, if you see some transparent places or spaces on my nails, know that it's this transparent powder. So as you can see, I'm putting it there, like just below my nail. Like it turned out, guys, really nice. And yeah, just keep on doing this. It's not hard. It's super simple. It's super easy. I ended up, okay, I'm going to cut, I still have these nails, guys, these long nails, but I'm going to cut them into shorter nails. Yeah, because child, I'm not about that, right? It's like, okay, it's not hard to keep them, but they're so simple and easy to, you know, to use and all that, to handle business. But honey, nah, my phone and all that. Plus, yeah, I didn't want to be this long anymore. I just wanted to experiment and I wanted to test them out, and they're good. So as you can see, I'm on my time. Okay, it's not looking cute or whatever because like it's dirty, but like yeah, now I'm done. This is the next day, guys. And now look at this. They're looking so cute. I had to put like small butterflies. Okay, as I'm putting on my colorless nail polish, I think you can see the small butterflies that are inside. I had to put like the small butterflies inside my acrylic liquid, and yeah. Now I'm putting the colorless nail polish to just like finish off. They're so nice. They're so nice. They came out really nice. I was so surprised. Now that I was those are the butterflies. If you see that pink container, it has the butterflies that I used. Okay, I wanted to use the stones, but I was like, no, let me not use them. I just need those butterflies alone. They're good like that. But I also bought them at a China shop, and I wanted to throw away that glass container that had like the acrylic powder. But I was like, no, let me just keep them. Like, let me just keep it and then put the stones in there. But like, look, guys. Okay, I was just testing out, and I was like, no, let me just keep the butterflies like that. And yeah, guys, like this is okay. I don't know what I was doing. Okay, I was closing the containers. Okay, now I'm just using the Nivea lotion to kind of, put on my nails or my hands so that my hands can look cute and clean or whatever. Right? Okay, I know my nails are just. Yeah, so yeah, this is the final look, guys. I hope you love it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to share, and I'll see you guys on my next video.
I won't say goodbye yet. Can I change your mind?